Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Egusi Fresh Corner. A powerful welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for all your support. So I'm here to teach you how to make Nigerian Egusi soup, melon soup. I have 3 cups of melon here with red pepper and the green type, and also a lot of onions. I love to make use of onions when I blend my melon because it makes it to coagulate easily. I mean, for it to come together, like when you fry it, it comes together very well when you use lots of onion. So I'm going to give my melon a good wash and blend with lots of onion, add some water and blend to smooth. It doesn't have to be completely smooth. Yes, so I'll need some vegetable oil. If you have red oil, you can also use it. Add some onions to your oil to fry a little, and then you pour in your blended melon. Try to spread the melon around the pot, not just at a point, to have enough space to fry. Don't stir. After this, just cover it and then allow it to fry well before you add other ingredients. So I'll go ahead and blend my pepper, onion, and locust bean. I love locust bean so much, so I can't do without using it to cook my egusi and this vegetable soup. After blending, just pour in your pepper and allow it to cook well. Don't need to mix at this point. If at all you're going to mix, just mix it gently. At this point, you can add some water to help it to cook well and cook around. You can see you have to be careful not to scatter the melon. So place the lid and allow it to cook well. After that, I have to add some other ingredients. I'm adding extra locust bean, that's a fresh one, and more dried locust bean. That's why I told you I love locust bean, so it's very good for the eye also. At this stage, you can add your proteins, fish, meat, and whatever you have into your cooking egusi. There are a lot of things to also add on heat. This is grounded crayfish, powdered crayfish, and also this is a bitter leaf. I love bitter leaf so much. The bitter taste makes it so yummy. So these are the other things, ingredients. You can just add as much as you have to make it rich enough. Mix gently, and I'm adding salt. I didn't add salt at the beginning because of the locust bean, which contains salt. I don't want the salt to be too much, so I have to wait to taste it before I add the salt. And this is extra vegetable, a fresh green vegetable called costa in my language here, also known as spinach. Yeah, so mix gently and our soup is almost ready. Yeah, you can see how nice it is. Even though I didn't use red oil, you can see it's a bit red, at least not so red anyway. It is so nice and so yummy. So quickly I will just make I'm going to take this with eba. Yes, called made from gari with hot water. Just boil hot water and pour in your gari and enjoy your swallow. So this is just a kind of a presentable way to serve your eba or gari. Yes, some call it gari. Yorubas call it eba. The Igbos call this gari. So it's just a very nice way you can serve your visitors. The restaurant way of serving is so nice and so presentable. So I've made my gari and it's time to enjoy with egusi. I love this soup. So you can enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Pounded yam, pando yam, amala, a lot of it, fufu, yes, fufu, starch, lafun, whatever, even wheat. You have some wheat you can enjoy with wheat, semolina, and so on. So thank you for watching. This meal recipe is so nice, it's so yummy. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.